What are the things, I want to dig in a little bit to what are the things that actually happen way beyond just the potential autophagy, right? The aiding in cells and heal and repair. But what else happens during fasting? Because I know that when I'm fasting, my mind settles.
Yeah.
Like just I feel an internal sense of calm
Okay. I love
and
it.
ability to introspect a little bit more and just those types of things. So it's more, and I don't know, Kelly, what you feel
Hmm.
when you fast, but I do think paying attention to not just the physical benefits, if you will,
Right.
of fasting, but the emotional and the mindset.
I really leaned into fasting strategies when I was really sick with chronic inflammatory response syndrome a few years ago. I found that if I didn't eat, my brain felt better. And so that forced me to kind of do a little bit of study and a little bit of research on what fasting could look like during that time because I was very much in a time of repair. I needed to be in a time of repair, so I didn't want to sacrifice repair. And so I found that doing some cycles of fasting were really, really helpful in decreasing inflammation, neuroinflammation. But also, there's some research to show that if you fast for 48 hours, you actually reset your dopamine receptors. So think about
So
that.
how would that equate to for those, that aren't as familiar with what dopamine does in the body? Like what would a person feel when that
Yeah, so
happens?
dopamine is your neurotransmitter that helps with drive, motivation, clarity,